power cord. These thoughtful additions significantly enhance user convenience. Another important aspect is comfort, featuring soft ear cup materials and adjustable headbands. However, users with larger ears might find them to be less comfortable. Moreover, the design caters primarily to casual listening rather than active use, as they lack waterproofing. This makes them less suitable for jogging or exercising. In addition, the headphones offer touch controls on the ear cups, which are highly responsive. This feature enhances user experience by simplifying the management of sound settings. Furthermore, users can easily adjust the noise cancellation settings through the app, allowing them to control the level of outside noise they wish to let in. This feature is useful in both quiet and noisy settings. The sound quality stands out with its well-balanced audio profile, providing clarity in distinct sound layers. Users can also adjust equalizer settings to customize their listening experience. With a battery life of up to 38 hours and fast charging capabilities, these headphones support long listening sessions without the hassle of frequent recharging. They intelligently adapt power usage based on your preferences. Moreover, the My Places feature enables the headphones to automatically adjust settings according to location. This enhances the listening experience, whether you are at home or at work. 360 Reality Audio provides an immersive listening experience similar to spatial audio, creating a surround sound effect. However, it's important to note that it currently supports a limited range of music apps. Additionally, the ambient mode feature helps users stay aware of their surroundings, although there may be a slight delay. This is particularly beneficial for those wanting to remain connected while enjoying music. The headphones also feature a folding design, accompanied by a slim hard case, making them travel-friendly. Their lightweight build ensures comfort even during long listening sessions. Despite their impressive performance, the WH-1000XM4S encounters stiff competition from newer models. Many retailers continue to maintain a high price, which could deter potential buyers.
Enjoy your listening. Scan and order now.